Wait, we're all awesome.
Good morning, day one, Miles of Mayhem. First up, Gina's class, a bracket class, which she's in 750 index, so
I'll probably have to run around to do.
I think she's pooping right now though. This video, like all of our videos this week, brought to you by Legacy Auto Group. Without Legacy Auto Group, we would not have been able to do this. 8 dealerships, 8 locations. They are the best of the best. We got all our vehicles from there. All our friends get their vehicles from there. They're super awesome people to deal with. If you're considering buying a new vehicle, just send a message, send a text message. That's all it takes. You can figure out some numbers, figure out what's right for you. You don't have to meet face to face with anybody. 8 dealerships across Alberta and BC. They can get you any vehicle that you want. They're actually on the look for a Volkswagen Beetle for us because Gina wants one. We're just trying to find the perfect one. So make sure to check them out. The link will be down below.
First day of Miles of Mayhem, and Kyle finally, I think, has been able to get his car on the 2-step. They had to change out a fuel regulator yesterday. You've probably seen it in the rest of this video, but he's finally in the heavy hitter line over there. Where? Like right here. So hopefully it gets on the trans brake on the line and get some power finally. That would be amazing. I just want to see Kyle do good. He's worked so hard on everybody else's car. It would be really nice to see his car. It'd be amazing.
I'm a little nervous, man. Every time I go for my first pass, it's like hands jittery and shit. I'm sure you know what that's all about.
Knees weak, arms are heavy, vomit on your sweater already, mom spaghetti?
Vomited my spaghetti. My mom's banging Eddie.
God damn it, Eddie.
They lost the throttle cable. Apparently that's what happened. No fucking way. What happened, lover?
I lost the throttle cable.
Right as you did the burnout?
Yeah, I felt, look, I got no throttle right now.
Oh, at least that's like not that bad.
Oh, it broke.
It broke?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, okay, that's fine. It broke in this. Like in the cable anyway, and I got extra right here.
Okay.
Okay, what do you need from? Can you do it right now, or what do you need? Like, do you need something?
Honestly, that just fell out.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it because of the snap from all
Might
to
be
nothing,
that
maybe?
extra spring I got in here.
Which was for road driving?
Probably like a flat top and a crescent wrench.
Flat top and a crescent wrench. So the throttle cable just popped out.
Yeah, I must not have had it tight because I didn't want to break it because we don't have conventional style things on ours.
And it might have been your spring.
And my extra spring, yeah. I'll put the fold out.
Mr. Colstang. A wild 5'9" approaches. And it's mobile again. Look who I found. Mr. Photographer. Oh snap.
Damn, baby girl.
Hi.
750 class.
I know. Cranked it a little bit.
We did turn up a little bit and it's cooled off right now, so
Yep.
you might go faster than 750.
DA is like 48.
What?
I don't know, it'll be close.
Close is all I need, baby.
Diddy speed chop. Gina's going up for her first run now.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You have like a extra medium?
An extra medium? I have.
That's like a large.
Yes, I brought you a large. But I brought stuff for.
Want I put it on right now? Or do you like my flamingo shirt better?
Put this on if you want to. I don't care.
Watch me.
And I brought for.
Okay, I gotta go up and see Gina real quick.
Yeah, go.
I mean, fuck yeah, you look good, buddy. $796.91. She went 027 red. Went way too fast.
I saw it. It was like.
And you went red lit. 714 at 104.
So I have to turn it down a little bit.
Did you wait to shift it that time? Yeah. I can be good on the laptop. You just gotta be consistent on the shifter.
I know, but like you have to understand, I'm still getting used to like what this feels like.
You were so close to cutting like perfect light though.
I know. And I feel like I did the light the same, but I wonder because it bumped up, like it wasn't so lazy off the launch.
Because you're probably the two-step was a bit higher.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Like, so I just have to like wait that extra like split second, literally.
I'll see you up with the trailer. Get Tokyo to drive on this. Is that 37? Wow. Did you bang her last night? She came early like you normally do. Why you go so fast?
Because I like to fast.
I'm pretty sure that was faster than the Hellcat ever went too.
I think so. What? What'd you say?
I know.
So now what? It come off
Turn it
the
back
line
down.
really good, or are you gonna put it back to where it was?
I think so, yeah.
Or can you like? Is there a middle ground?
There is. I'm gonna go a little bit less on the two-step boost, and I'm gonna take a little bit out of the top end boost and just ramp it out.
790 at a mile an hour slower than yesterday, and I banged the limiter in first. So it should go 780s on 6.5 pounds.
I think you should add 2 pounds of dome to it.
We'll see.
It's going up again. So hopefully.
Nope.
624, right?
624, 116. Look at hand tattoos.
Hand tattoos.
We should get the guy in post-production to insert Billy Madison's. Here's a nice piece of shit. 5'9", but that Cummins life, yo.
You're gonna get the trans brake going, boy.
Fucking man. Okay, so
Neighborhood's gone to shit.
that looks like a whole
The,
truck run up there.
The rednecks are here. Rubberfoot Racing. To a 505.
Box panels falling off.
I like that he's already got a tow rope attached to it. The back of the box says Cummins dumpster. No, it's a Cummins swapped Ford. He's got his fist on the dash. diaper.
How fast was that?
On this channel, you can watch Virginia get dressed for free.
Make sure you blur out my feet.
On that channel, you gotta figure it out. See if Gina can keep it off the fucking skinny pedal this time. You got her turned down so she's not going 7.0s?
I hope so.
Idiot. Luke just went 740.
Did he?
Yep. She's gonna be happy but sad.
So Gina went 746 at 100. So close with a 0.4 reaction time. A little bit too fast.
Did I red light though?
No,
My reaction was
a little bit too fast. Gina!
so close! How do I fix this? I only needed like 0.4 of a second.
And your reaction time was
0.04.
0.04, yeah.
My reaction time is like decent now.
Okay, let me get my laptop in there. I'll pull a little bit out. You can.
Just like this
You
one.
need at least one more.
Yeah, because I don't even
You
have a
have- you
slip
have
to
a
hand
slip, yeah.
in.
What you do there, pervert Dan?
Better than I really expected.
You got your hog joggers on?
I do. Apparently they were the only friggin' long pants I wore. I meant to take jeans and started looking this morning and
Hog jogger racing.
only hog joggers. So yeah, it's hog jogger racing all week long.
What to
boys.
go? 14?
714 at 105.74.
Hell yeah.
I'll take that.
Danville Digital. Danville Real Life.
Get on the brake. Are you just pissed?
Did he just still go 850?
Yes.
Huh. When you go on the brake?
About your bracket, guys? We'll get you all.
My transmission, not happy.
So for all you folks, we're at 2,400 feet of elevation.
Current DA is 5,183 feet, which would be why Kyle's car
Or you want to put it in our kit together.
doesn't want to spool.
Put it in our kit together and I.
679, 122.
You got her though. So we're handing ours in. I got a 679 at 122. Gina's got a.
I drew a wiener.
She got like a 7.58.
8.6 but my reaction time was 0.2, which is not my best, but
You didn't want a red light or anything?
I didn't want a red light for sure, and it bogged down before I got to second. I didn't hit the rev limiter, and it like bogged.
It sounded like you hit limiter.
It was only at, I swear it was only at like 6,000 though. And I shifted.
It's your
and
fuel.
It was
It's got a
fine.
nasty hole, man. If I tune the NOS timing rightly, you'll run 9s.
Okay, we gotta load up. Get the hell out of here.
I know. We gotta.
Well, okay. It's all loaded up.
Yep, let's fucking go.
End of day 1, we have to make it 500 kilometers to the next spot.
This is like 25% done of day 1.
Yeah, I know.
This is the real test.
We got the easy part done.
Remember, we could not do this without Legacy Auto Group. 8 dealerships, 8 locations. Gina's got one from there.
Yep.
Dan's got one from there.
Underhill does, right behind you.
This from Legacy Auto Group. Could be yours too. Supercharged Mustang. We really fucking doing it, man. I am so stoked right now. Happy moments, dude. Live for the happy moments. All right, so everyone is pulled over back there. Andrew has something wrong with his car, but I'm pulled over here and my coolant temps are way too high. They're actually boiling over a little bit and I'm only like 30 kilometers out of town. It's just because the DA is so high right now and the sun is just beating on us. So use the fan to cool it down a little bit here, try and top up the water, and it'll make it 30K before it boils over. And if we hit a cloud, I can actually watch the temps drop. So I'll wait here until I know what they're doing up there. Back on the road for who knows how long. We definitely underbuilt the cooling system in this thing for sure.
Well, I guess the boys are drinking enough water that they...
Nice hog!
So we're like, oh wow, that's a good burn. We're almost in swift current, and as we pulled into a gas station, kind of on the brakes and turning, I thought the car was making a weird feeling, weird clunk. I thought maybe because it's 35 degrees that my drag radials were getting super hot, and my rear diff wasn't getting that little bit of slip, so the diff might have just been getting annoying. So we actually went to one little gas station, and thankfully we came up to a second one that had more fuel, and felt it again coming in and said, hey, there's something going on. So I got Kyle to move it. Front right wheel lug nuts were loose. Looks like we broke a stud. Thankfully Kyle just ordered the 1/2 inch by 20 tap, so we're going to chase the threads, reapply, retorque, and get a stud tomorrow. But that could have been bad. Wheels don't like me.
We'll clean it up, bro.
I sent Brian Stevenson from Pete Boss a message.
Yeah.
We have all the tools.
He's got them.
I have to go there tomorrow anyways to get the couplers I ordered.
I might as well get spares.
Yeah.
We're putting 5 in. I'm not putting 1 in.
Yeah,
I will
get 2
not
sets.
replace 1.
2 sets.
Yeah.
Get 10 if you can. Because they come in sets of 5, I think.
Well, we're not going to do the others. Well,
Okay, so we're like 150, maybe 200K in. We've all been having
Some coolant issues,
and Andrew's car with an A1000 has been having some boiling fuel problems. Seems to be better as you're keeping it topped with fresh fuel, and turning down pressure and letting the duty cycle burn the fuel that's coming to the front seems to be better too. You're getting what, like 80K now before 60 to 80K?
Something like that, yeah.
Which was better because before you
before
were
it was like
20K,
20,
if
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
So, hell yeah. Other than that, Gina's doing deadly. The boys are concerned with oil pressure, so they're going to drain some oil. Dylan has got some Lucas heating so that it pours better.
And then after harvesting, you start that.
Boys, we made it 500 kilometers. I'm already stoked.
What?
I'm already stoked.
Yeah.
You made 1400, yeah.
We'll make it the rest of the way.
If we don't break them. I'm not jinxing, I'm just saying like it is, lady. If it breaks.
Or if the heat doesn't continue. Which I think tomorrow's hotter, isn't it?
I don't know.
Alright, I'm editing the video right now in the hotel room, as you can see. I'm naked. Gina's actually...
I'm naked too! Don't show! Okay,
Gina's over there.
I'm fine, I covered up.
Gina's over there naked too. But we made it. It is 1 in the morning right now. I'm gonna render this. I'll upload it in the morning. And by the time you guys see this video, we should be racing again. And then on the road driving. Peace easy. Get that V. Shop Legacy Auto Group.